Welcome to another triangle similarity problem. It asks us which triangle is similar to triangle ABC. Is it triangle LMN or is it triangle RST? And the corresponding sides are already listed out for us. Now all we need to check is, do they have the same ratio? Okay, so AB to LM is 10 to 8. 10 is 2 times 5, 8 is 2 times 4, so it is 5 to 4. Now, let's look at, is BC to MN also has 5 to 4, CA to MNL also has 5 to 4. They have to follow the same ratio. So BC to MN is 12 to 8. 12 is 3 times 4, that's 2 times 4. No, that's a rule breaker, so LMN is out. All right, let's look at RST. AB to RS is 10 to 5, that's 2 to 1. BC to ST is 12 to 6, 2 to 1. CA to TR is 10 to 5, that's 2 to 1. Therefore, the correct answer is triangle ABC and triangle RST. They are similar triangles. That's it. Happy learning.